I'ma serve, I'm spinning.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Bonnie and today I'm coming at you again with another video. Well, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for the love and the support. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below. Yesterday I tried to capture this video, but I was so tired. My energy and everything was just not happening. Lately I'm so swamped with a lot of things. Yo, busy. Anyway, today I want to go on ahead and show you guys how to make a crop top and swimwears out of a t-shirt. Okay,